What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing pretty decent today. Got a few things that I need to get done. I've decided to go out to a drift event down in Mineral Wells, Texas. I'm in Oklahoma. It's about a 5-hour drive. This weekend, today is Tuesday, I need to prep the car. I need to go ahead and install the aluminum radiator I got for it along with the electric fan. Since last event, the fan exploded on me on there. I figured out what it is. It is the motor mount that causes that to happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead, run the fan, probably just run it on a switch. It's mostly a night drift event, a 2-dayer, so I'm gonna go down Saturday evening, drift during the night. What people do is they put LED strips all over their drift car, underglow, all that stuff, so it'll be super cool. And the winner gets like 300 bucks, like the best lit car or whatever. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to this weekend for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead, head over to Walmart today, see what they got as far as lights. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Walmart cheap tires. They're about $50 a tire. Not bad at all. First, my buddy Andy is looking at buying his first drift car. He's 16 years old, recently got his license, but wanted to get into drifting. So I recommended an E36. So he found one, and supposedly he's secured a deal for about $300 for the car. It runs, has a few little issues, so it's a learning experience. We're gonna go ahead and look at that with him today, and then head out, do some Beamer stuff. It's gonna be sick.
He is, right?
300 bucks. Here she is.
So you got the deal closed, or?
Not entirely, but the guy said that the guy was cool with 300 bucks.
A little,
oh yeah.
not a huge deal. Front tires are, they're on there. Yeah. Interior's not that bad.
That's what I'm saying. Well, look at the back.
It's not bad. It's got, I like that shifter. How are the bushings? Oh yeah, that's definitely in gear.
I mean, I'll probably leave that
2.5, yeah, it's the same in the red.
Yes.
That's good though.
Nice.
The paint is definitely there for being how old it is.
Which is what I want, you know, because...
Yeah, really. 300 bucks. Hopefully it drives decent.
I mean, they said it drives fine. It's just to start slipping or something. But look how clean that trunk is. Like, dang.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a bra.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Original car bra.
I got an original
It's got
bra.
the BMW on there, all that crap. Oh, there they are. So these are the LEDs I got at Walmart. I got 3 boxes of these. One is 16.4 feet. So they're pretty long. They come with this little remote. I got one plugged in over here, and it actually works pretty good. Let's see if I can just turn on red. And you got green, blue, got the whole, all that good deal there. What are you doing, big boy? And you can even do all these little jumps. You can crank the speed where it's like seizure warning type stuff. Anyway, super cool. I like them. So, I'm not exactly sure what the plan is, where I'm going to put them on the drift car yet. I'm thinking kind of like outside the bumper, over the wheel well, on the side, all the way. I'd like to get that wing on that I have laying around here in the back. That little spoiler going. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and yank out the old radiator and the fan, the strap, get that all out of the way, clean this up a little bit, get it looking pretty good, and then it's alright, you don't like fireworks, I know, it's alright. Thought I'd go ahead and give it an attempt to clean the engine bay with this stuff. It's working pretty good. There's so much dirt in here because I went off track last event. Got a lot going on. It's an attempt. I just got the fan out. Those fans are a little bit tricky to pull out. They're reverse threaded. I ended up just jamming a screwdriver in there against one of the pulleys. Ended up breaking it loose, getting it off. But when I was in there, I noticed the belts are very cracked, and also the AC compressor belt is missing. So I'm gonna go ahead up to my local O'Reilly's, grab another set of belts for both the serpentine and the AC compressor. Put some fresh belts on. Not a big deal, just get it done. I like how it's turning out. I don't think I've ever cleaned this here. It's been covered up by the plastic. I'm still gonna do the lights. Lights are coming. Just replace the belts in these things. They're not too hard. Just gotta throw your, what are these called, little Torx? Throw your Torx bit in these tensioners right here. Turn them to the right, pull them down, look up a belt diagram to help you out. Pretty simple stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead, throw the radiator in, and figure out this fan wiring. I got some wires and stuff from O'Reilly's last night. It's the next day. I'm gonna go ahead, wire it all up, then go over what I did. We got all the wiring figured out. Got the switch. It's not all official just yet. We're gonna go and test it out. Andy, go ahead and connect the battery. Okay, take it off. Something's not right. got these junk rolling now, boys. Pretty much what I did was, or what I didn't do, was wire the power to the switch and then run the switch power back to the relay. I'll go over here in a second. I'll give you a diagram or something like that up here on the screen. First time really running it from a relay to a switch by myself without having like a pre-made wiring harness. It's definitely a good learning experience. Glad I got it working though. Definitely needed that to go through properly. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tie up all the wires because there are quite a few of them. I'm going to go ahead and finish installing the radiator, put some fluids in it, hoses back on, all that good stuff, and see where we got going from there. After that, I can start on these LEDs.
This is like day 3 of me trying to do this. It was the 4th of July yesterday, so I had a bunch of stuff going on. But today is Thursday, got the drift event on Saturday and Sunday. The night drift event's gonna be absolutely sick. I'm ready to get this car back on the track.
Took a lot longer than I thought it would to clean up the bay, just took all the wiring, all that. Had to redo some of this wiring because it was being a little bit of pain in the rear. It wouldn't crimp in there, stay in there, so I ended up just having to kind of just sketchily do it for now. I'll probably redo it someday. Clean it all up, the radiator looks good. I had to get another one of these hoses here. Isn't quite the right size, but it's gonna work for this weekend for sure. Now I just went ahead, added coolant, water. I'm gonna go ahead, take it for a little test drive, make sure it all does good, get on the LEDs. Well, I got a lot of these LEDs going strong. They're looking pretty sick. I'm just using packing tape. It's working pretty good. But I'm gonna go ahead and redo this trim on this side. I have trim for it. It's just the clips I have are not working out quite right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the electrical tape that I said in another video. I'm gonna go and do the trim, finish up the lights. You'll have to wait and see what the finished product looks like this weekend. Saturday and Sunday is a drift event.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because we've got a lot coming for the channel. S14 builds, BMW builds, all this stuff in the works for sure. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You get a lot of updates before the videos even come out. A lot of cool pics and stories. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Have a good one. Take care guys.